Okay guys, so today I'm going to be making a chicken chow mein. This is going to be a chicken chow mein with a difference because instead of using egg noodles, I'm going to be using some gluten-free spaghetti in order to make this dish. So here I have some chicken sliced and it was marinated in some soy sauce, gluten-free soy sauce. So I used tamari, some rice wine, a sprinkle of sugar and some Chinese 5-spice powder as well as a little drizzle of sesame oil. Here I have some broccoli and carrots chopped. In the back here I have cilantro and some spring onions which I'm going to add at the end. Here I have some garlic and ginger chopped. And here for the sauce I have about a half cup of chicken broth with about 3 tablespoons of gluten-free oyster sauce. So let's get started with putting everything together. Now guys, I like to add in my ginger and garlic before the oil gets extremely hot. In that way the oil gets a slow infusion of the flavors. Okay, I'm going to add in now my broccoli and carrots. And we're just going to leave this to stir fry until it becomes nice and soft. Okay guys, I'm just going to add a splash of water just to help it to steam and soften, not much. Okay guys, so I'm going to remove the vegetables now and I'm going to stir fry the chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little more oil. Alright, so we're just going to leave this so that the chicken can cook. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add back the vegetables. And now I'm going to add in my case, the spaghetti. If you are using egg noodles, you can add it in at this point in time. Okay, I'm going to add in my sauce now. I'm just going to mix well because I want to make sure that all the noodles get covered with that sauce. Okay guys, at this point I'm just going to add a little more sesame oil. And of course I'm going to add in now my cilantro. and my spring onions. Let's just toss everything together. And there you have it, folks. Our chicken chow mein is now completed. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and of course, most importantly, don't forget to share with family and friends.